Do you want to buy a gift card for yourself or for your friends? In this video, I will show you how to buy a gift card quickly and easily, step by step. So to know how it works or how to do that, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Roblox app, as you see here, and you click. In this page, you will wait a moment until the page appears to you. After that, you will have this sign of more, so you will click on it. Then in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window of buy gift cards. In this page, you will click on buy gift cards. After that, in this page, you will have what kind of card do you want. If you want a digital card or a physical card, you can choose whatever you want. Also the amount that you want to add, $10 or 15 or 100 or 25, you can choose whatever. And also here you can write the amount that you want if you don't find it here. For example, 15, as you see here. Also you can find who is this for you or for your friends. If it is for your friends, you click here, and then you can add their name and your name and gift message. If it is just for you, you can just click here for me and you click add to cart. After that, when you click on add to cart, you will have this first page. You have to wait a moment. As you see here, review your card. You can choose, here first. The first thing they will give you to choose the gift card that you want, and after that here you can choose the quantity here and the amount in this page. And after that, they will give you also a free promotions or gift card. And here you will find this list of information, and you will click on checkout. So you will enter to checkout in that way. And here in this page, you will find this list, and you can add or fulfill your information. You can add here your email, confirm your email, phone number, first name, last name, and the credit or debit card that you will use. Also here the card name and name on card, country, street addresses, all the informations you have to add them. And then we click here on this sign of send me information about future offers, and then we click here in this sign of by checking this box, and after that you click on place my order. So when you click here, you will be able to take your gift card in easy steps. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.